The rebellion against the data center continues. That's the dominant theme of this market. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. The data center has been the single biggest investment story for months on end. Even if it's not always obvious from the averages, say with the Dow advanced 160 points, the S&P declined 0.47%, and the NASDAQ, yes, tumbled 1.35%. This sea change, one that we are undergoing in real time, with the data center theme suddenly going from positive to negative, is buried within the broader indices, but it's like a living, breathing, seething animal. A snorting bull turned into a grizzly, scratching and clawing back the gains in your portfolio. How do I know this? Aren't there more cross currents than that? Oh, of course there are. I mean, there's the endless tariff drumbeat, one that's driven stocks lower en masse. Incredibly, aside from the Dow, there is no index, not the S&P 500, not the NASDAQ, not the transports, not the Russell 2000, that's up since Inauguration Day. And some of them, like the small cap Russell, getting killed. It feels like we get a new tariff every day, doesn't it? Today, we got a defense of our large cap tech companies, which have been endlessly targeted by our European allies. These countries, they've used our tech companies, Amazon's, Alphabet's, Apple's, like honeypots. Now, when it happens, our government will retaliate for a similar amount of money. No more plunder. I know these tariffs have people on edge. Consumer confidence indicators, they've just plummeted. Interest rates are sinking for fear of an economy gone soft. The key 10-year Treasury yield is back to where it was in mid-December, when many thought we were looking at many more rate cuts than we've gotten. We have had to put rate cuts talk on hold. Now it's right back because there's a newfound paralysis. Too many things happening at once, scaring people, few of them good. I know President Trump is deeply committed to tariffs as a way to bring back money and protect American industry, but Trump also judges his performance in part by looking at the averages. If this decline keeps gathering steam, we may have a presidential put, because I think he'll feel compelled to do something, anything, to turn the market around, but not yet. He's not going to come to the aid of a specific theme, like the wonderful rise and now hideous fall of the data center.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.